In this latest update, we are excited to bring the ability to view variegated threads inside of the Floriani software, where you can apply the Floriani variegated threads to your designs. Go ahead and let's take a look at the screen. We have a design up, just some simple text, and it's called variegated thread. We're going to go ahead and select it. To apply a color, you always go down to your color bar and you left mouse click to bring up your thread chart selector. You will notice that in the Floriani thread chart, if you scroll down to the bottom, you will see a list of the variegated and mixed threads. And we added these to the bottom of this list, and you can go ahead and type in the color number and you'll be able to find it. All of our variegated threads start with the letter V. So you can see right here we have V22, V11, V50, and so on. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and select this one right here, V48, and then I'm going to press apply. And then we go ahead and click off of it so you can take a look, and you can see that it is actually applied the variegated thread to this design. Now, it's not a perfect representation, but it gives you a really good idea of what it's going to look like when you sew it out. There will be variances depending on where the thread starts and also some of the lengths of each color, but it gives you a really good idea of how that thread's going to look. Let's go ahead and let's apply a different variegated color to this this text. So I went ahead and selected again. I'm going to left mouse click on color number 1, and I'm going to go ahead and this time I'm going to choose this one, which is V69, and press OK. Let me go ahead and click off. You can see it applied this green and white variegated thread. Also, if I left click, make sure I select the text again, left mouse click on the color chart, you may already know this, that we did introduce Floriani cotton thread, and we introduced it in 15 solid colors and 15 variegated colors. And so we've added the variegated cotton threads to the Floriani cotton thread chart, and you can see them listed right here. That's CV for cotton variegated, color number 80, we have number 5, and so on. So I'm going to go ahead and take this one, the CV012, and I'm going to press OK. And you'll see that this is one of the variegated cotton threads that's now available. I'm going to go ahead and select it. Let's go ahead and choose a different one. Let's choose this one that's kind of more pastel colored, a little bit more of a maybe a spring design it would work well with. There are some very interesting color combinations in this thread. Go ahead and select this one right here. You can see it has some pretty good variation to it. So but yeah, we introduced the ability to actually view variegated thread in the software, and we're really excited about this, and we think that you'll have a lot of fun using it, and it's just a really neat way of getting a feel for what a design will look like if you choose to use variegated threads. So we hope you enjoy this new feature and have fun with it.